Let's see how to use the variants feature of Playground AI. The variants feature is available in the image context menu. So if we click plus icon, we access a host of options for that particular image. When we select create variants, it automatically sends the selected image to the image to image section with image strength of 30 and generates the variants. This is what the results look like. We see for the image strength of 30, the output image composition and poses are very different from the input image. For the image strength of 60, we see there are some modifications, but still we can see the input image and output image have some sort of a resemblance. If we select a very high image strength of 90, we hardly notice any changes between the input image and the output image. So we can use this feature to do creative exploration once we have narrowed down on our selected images. So how does the image variant feature work under the hood? We know that stable diffusion model takes two main inputs, a noisy image and a prompt. So if instead of a noisy random image, we pass our own image, adding some noise to it, the AI model then does the denoising. Given the probabilistic nature of AI model, the final output image is not exactly same as the input image, but closely resembles the input image. Based on the image strength, we can decide how much noise to add. The more noise we add, final output is going to look a lot different than the input image. That is how the image to image create variants feature work.